Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up time in Discord. Open Discord and go to User Settings, then select Appearance to check Time Display options. If you need server-wide consistency, pick a reliable time bot and grant it minimal permissions to post timestamps. Test the bot in a private channel, confirm formats like 24-hour or 12-hour, and adjust time zone displays for clarity and team coordination. Start by inviting a time bot through its official invite link and choose the server to add it to. Create a private channel for testing and give the bot only necessary roles and send permissions. Use the bot command to set your time zone and choose 12-hour or 24-hour format, then post sample timestamps to verify appearance. Keep commands handy for quick edits and limit admin access for safety. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that keeps you focused when commuting to calls or streaming. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a fresher ride while you tweak your Discord settings. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a timestamp style and stick with it to reduce confusion. Include time zone labels like UTC or GMT when possible. For gaming or events, 24-hour format often reduces errors, while casual groups may prefer 12-hour with AM and PM. Post a pinned message showing example timestamps and the bot command syntax so new members can follow the server convention quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.